My name's Adam Hindley.
Excellent, and that was a perfect answer. So what I want you to do is when you answer questions as you've done, repeat the question in the answer.
Yeah.
You get the situation. So tell me what we're doing here today.
So today we're at the crash course for the Jordan Belfort experience with Samuel Leeds, and yeah, it's been a really, really good day so far.
Excellent. And what type of things have you learned while you've been here?
So I think a lot of the stuff that I've learned so far is more about kind of how to bring the sales into property a little bit more. Like I've already got an established property business, already doing a lot of sales and a lot of like deal selling and deal packaging and things like that, speaking to estate agents all the time, but being able to bring and like reignite my knowledge around sales and stuff has been really, really good. And having Jordan Belfort here after reading his book as well, it was really good to see the things that he teaches and talks about in his book, him talk about in person as well.
Excellent. And what's the atmosphere like here?
The vibe and the atmosphere at these kind of events is always great. Like especially Samuel is very, very good at creating like a good atmosphere, and I think that you need that as well, because a lot of the time when you just sat down at a desk or you sat down in like a quiet room or something and it's just a PowerPoint presentation, you don't really get a good vibe, and it's not as easy to learn. And you create an atmosphere that I think it's a lot easier to absorb the knowledge and get the knowledge into your brain.
Amazing. So how long have you on the academy?
I've finished the academy.
You just finished the academy, so how is your life different compared to when you started the academy versus now today?
Yeah. So before I joined the academy and joined the training, I had a previous business which I sold and exited, but I'd also just broken up from a relationship. So I'd kind of reset my life really. So I'd moved out of the house that I was living with my ex-partner there, and then moved back in with my mum and dad, and literally left my job, sold my business, so I literally started again from nothing. So the money that I got from the sale of the business, I invested in the property training, and then started going from that. And then now I've got a team of 5 people that are working for me, sourcing deals all over the country, and got over 30 service accommodation units that we manage at the minute.
Amazing, sounds like you're doing pretty well.
Yeah, there's a lot going on there, mate.
Excellent. And to anyone who's thinking about coming to the crash course or joining the academy or just kind of getting on this kind of training, what would you say to them?
So I think that if you're looking to get educated in property space and you're looking to get started, then Samuel Leeds and the team, they have like all the fundamental and foundational skills that you need to get into property investing. It gives you all of the different strategies, it gives you everything that you need to know about how you can start with no money, how you can start with a little bit of money, or if you've got a lot of money, how you can actually put that into use as well. So I think that the foundational skills that you need to be a property investor is all covered in the correct training, and I think it's really, really key for people to understand that they can do that in the best way possible and do it the right way.